Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Xbox account and confirming the console has the latest update. This avoids layout mismatches. Once signed in, press the Xbox button to open the guide, then navigate to Profile and System and choose Settings. Make sure your controller is charged and any external drives are connected, because dashboard options can change with attached peripherals. From here, move to Personalization. This is where you'll make theme and home layout adjustments. Keep going, the actionable steps begin now. You'll dig into personalization to change how the dashboard looks and behaves. First, confirm or set this console as your home Xbox if you want shared access to games and pins. This affects available content. Then choose Theme and Motion to pick a background, accent color, and motion intensity. These alter readability and performance. Next, open Customize Home to pin or unpin blocks, reorder tiles, and create or edit pinned groups. This defines your immediate navigation flow. Once done, test by you're now ready to finalize changes. Apply any theme and layout edits, then sign out and sign back in, or reboot the console to ensure settings persist. If you see changes revert, make sure there are no pending system updates, that your storage isn't full, and that other profiles aren't forcing a different home layout. If problems continue, clear alternate profiles or remove external drives briefly. Only perform a factory reset as a last resort, and backup saves to the cloud or external storage first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.